Your phone is about to take flight. No, this isn't a sci-fi movie. Samsung is reportedly flipping the script with the world's first drone camera phone. Say goodbye to bulky gear. Bird's eye shots are now living right in your pocket. Imagine you're hiking through a breathtaking valley. The view is epic, but your phone's standard lens just isn't cutting it. Suddenly, you pull out your phone, a tiny, insect-sized device detaches from the top, and 2 minutes later, you've got a cinematic aerial masterpiece. This isn't just tech, it's Samsung's latest wizardry. We're looking at what could be the biggest revolution in smartphone history. Let's talk about the pure eye candy you get with this device. Display. You're looking at a massive 6.92-inch QHD plus LTPO OLED display, with a butter-smooth 144Hz refresh rate. And with a staggering 4,500 nits of brightness, this screen stays crystal clear even under the blazing Vegas sun. Plus, it's rated IP69, meaning it doesn't just survive splashes, it's practically a submarine. Throw in an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, and your data is locked down tighter than Fort Knox. Camera setup. But here's the literal game changer. Samsung basically asked, what if the phone itself could fly? The main event is a 200-megapixel mini drone camera hidden right inside the chassis. You just open the camera app, hit drone mode, and watch a micro drone pop out and take to the skies. Whether it's a wedding, a beach party, or a solo travel vlog, you're getting pro-level aerials without a separate controller. And even when it's docked, you've got a killer triple camera array on the back featuring 108-megapixel, 48-megapixel, and 12-megapixel sensors. Every angle is covered, from the ground to the clouds. Performance. Flying a drone while processing 200-megapixel images requires serious brain power, and Samsung isn't cutting corners. It's powered by the lightning-fast Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, meaning you can fly the drone, edit 4K video, and game in the background without the phone even breaking a sweat. It's also set to rock Android 16, packed with futuristic AI features. Battery backup. Now, you might think a flying camera would kill your battery in minutes. Think again. This beast packs a monstrous 9500 mAh battery paired with 125-watt fast charging. It charges almost as fast as it flies. Price and launch date. So, how much will this magic cost you? This isn't a cheap toy, it's a flagship on steroids. Expect a starting price of around $1,800. It's a premium price tag, but considering you're getting a top-tier smartphone and a high-end drone in one device, it's actually a steal for tech enthusiasts. Rumors suggest a mid-2026 global launch.